I hate clickbait. Probably the most frustrating one I see is a variation of the title of this video. Curiosity plus largely defined amount of cash plus an unusual short time frame. This formula gets clicks because it triggers your curiosity as you wonder how someone could have made that much cash so young. If your operating system is crappy like mine, you'd start to compare your life to this complete stranger who's probably full of crap and about to sell you a course on the next way to make $500 a day with no experience or brains necessary. So Facebook has figured out how to short circuit our brains to create dopamine loops to get you coming back to their platform. And in many ways, I think content creators who talk about making easy money online have done the same thing. They know the buttons to press, the emotional triggers to release to get you fantasizing about breezy Bahama beaches. And then they hit you with the sale. If you don't like your job and you want to cut ties with the 9 to 5, you need to start with strategy first. The problem that many people have is we're wired to want that quick win, so we keep consuming content and jumping all over money-making tactics instead of creating a bird's eye view on how to cut ties. In the next video, we'll discuss how freedom and security are always at odds and how that affects your financial and entrepreneurial journey.